In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a link to your Microsoft Teams meeting. So I'll show you how to set up and also share your Microsoft Teams meeting. Now, first thing we need to do is open up the Start menu and go and open up the Microsoft Teams app. If you don't already have this installed, you'll need to go and download it completely for free. Now, make sure you're signed in to your Teams account and then you can press Meet in the left-hand side. Now press Schedule a Meeting and then go and fill out all of the different sections for your meeting. So you can start by adding a title. Now you can invite people directly just by typing in their email address. You'll then need to set a date and also a time for the meeting as well. If this meeting is a reoccurring event, then you can go and select an option from the list. So for example, I can go and set up this meeting to occur every week. You can add a location, this is optional, and you can also add some meeting notes as well. Once you're finished, just press Save and then press this copy button. Now this is going to generate a shareable Teams link. So what you can do is just go and open up a notepad on your computer and then you can go and paste in the link that we just copied. Now the actual clickable and shareable link is this part here. So we're just going to go ahead and copy this website and then we can press edit and copy. Now you can go and share this link to other people, and when they click on the link, you see it will take them directly over to this page and they'll be able to join your Microsoft Teams meeting.